we have more beads. So guess what? We're shooting top down. I am super excited to check these out. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking pretty. I see little butterflies. Oh, it's gonna be hard not to want to keep these, but oh my gosh, I might just like have to keep one. I don't know. This is getting a little wild. I just don't know what to do with all of these. Oh my gosh. There's like these little pink beads right behind it. Look how cute those are. Can you see those? Let me get my little spoon. Also, I remembered to paint my nails, and I hope I don't accidentally scratch them all up. Oh, those are really cute. They're like a very soft pink with silver accents. Those butterflies. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and look at these. That's a really cool shape. The last bin we did had these really pretty green and pink Burano beads, and this kind of reminds me of them because they're the same colors, but these are metal, and my gosh, look at the, is that called filigree? I don't think this one has a label. It doesn't. Those are fishies. Oh my gosh, those are little fishies. These have to be something special, right? I mean, we process a lot of beads in my shop, and I don't know. I don't look at them that closely, to be honest, but I feel like I don't see stuff this cool. Ooh, okay, so this has the same kind of pattern as those green discs, but they are blue flowers, and there are the same ones here in green. I just feel like those are so delicate and intricate and absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And that same pattern is on these beads as well. So we've got some blue ones and some green and some light pink. And it looks like there's maybe some dark pink ones in there. Oh, wait, what are these? What are these? Oh my gosh, they're little tubes. Okay, this has to be some sort of set because they all have that same design. I don't know if this is something, you know, popular or common or like known, or if it's just, I don't know, some random beads that are really pretty. Oh my gosh, and look at that really soft blue. That is definitely gorgeous. And then there's these large blue. I like those too. Really, really fun. Oh my gosh, wait. Hold on. Oh, first of all, those are really neat, but I'm trying to get to these because these are starfish. Tell me I don't need those. Tell me I don't need these. Tell me I don't need these, and I don't need these, and I don't need these because I don't make anything with beads. That didn't convince me. Nope, it's not working. Sorry. Aw, they're just so beautiful. How freaking stunning. Gorgeous. Love. Wait. I kind of want to see what's in that little bag. And I'm actually scared of frogs, but there are little frogs in here. There's also stars, though, which I really love. So, oh, and a turtle. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. I will deal with the creepy little frogs because the turtle and the stars are so cute. I can't believe I almost missed those. What was hiding behind those? Oh my gosh, that is seriously one of the prettiest things I've ever seen. All right, up next, we have some purples, one of my favorite colors. Pink and blue are definitely my favorite, but I would say purple is, you know, top 3. Oh, whoa, hold on. Some of these we've seen before, but some we haven't. So here are some of those gorgeous leaves again. I definitely kept a few of those from the last one, the last bin. I gotta get my little spoon here because I see some really pretty. Oh, again, I don't know if the camera even does these justice, but man, sparkly, shiny, beautiful. And these are little hearts again, but these ones are blue, like a bluish purple. Little babies. And wait, we saw these too. She definitely had her favorites because we saw these, and now I think blue, red, I don't know what color it was last time. Oop. And now a couple of different purples. There's that really soft lilac, and then the more of that, I don't know, bluish purple. I'm trying so hard not to mix these. If I accidentally do, though, we'll fix it when we bag them up. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if you're new here, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. It's located in Tampa Bay, Florida, and people can trade in their leftover supplies for store credit. But like I said in the intro, we recently bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection full of craft supplies, a whole house, 5 rooms full. And we've been unbinning these one at a time, a couple times a week. And they go into our shop in Tampa Bay, Florida for 2 days after the video comes out on a special table called the Bin of the Day table. And then after that, they just get sprinkled on into our store. And eventually some might end up on eBay. We don't have any right now because we're taking a listing break, although there is a ton listed if you're looking for anything really, a lot of different hobbies. You can find that link at bottomofthebin.com. These are just so fun. I really love these colors, and I've seen something very similar in different colors. So a lot of these little flowers and leaves we've been finding in, yeah, pretty much every color that exists. And I took the pink ones from the first bin that we found because nobody bought them. I was surprised. So if any of these flower ones, not these ones, but like these ones end up staying here, I'm definitely going to be grabbing them and taking them home. So if you want them, come get them, come early. Seriously, some gorgeous, gorgeous colors in here. Oh, and here's another purple. These seem just a wee bit darker. Ooh, these are kind of frosted, but it's those flowers that I like. It looks like they're called baby bells. Yep, that's a great name for them. Ooh, those are pretty cool. And I love the sheen on those. And that has a bit of copper on the end. Oh, and there's a cute little strand of those leaf things that we've seen a few times now. And here is a much closer look. So precious. Speaking of precious, I found a bob hiding with the red beads. Bob, you're supposed to be making friendship bracelets. Whatever happened to that? The people are waiting. All right. Red actually is one of my least favorite colors, believe it or not. I do love me a good pink, though. Oh, that's kind of nice. I like those. There's some orange in here. Let me get my little baby spoon for my little baby bell flowers. Wow, that's like a neon orange, but the tips have a bit of prismatic pink on them. Very nice. And these are like a super dark cranberry color, little flowers. Oh, are these hearts? Yes, yes. Kinda. No. Oh, I got excited. I do really like the hearts, but these, no, they're not. They're not hearts, but they're very fun. I haven't seen that shape. Oh, we've got a fun little strand here as well. Absolutely gorgeous the way these reflect the light. And there's more flowers in here. There is some of the bright orange and some of the, oh wait, this one looks almost like stone, like a natural stone. I don't think it is, but ooh, really pretty. Love the color on those. And there is a closer look at the beautiful reds and oranges. I found another red one. Wait, this has a little bit of green. I wonder if those are like cherries or strawberries or just Christmas themed. Just Christmas themed. Cute little balls, though. I like those. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I love these stars, but wait. Oh, I love those even more. So shiny. Then we've got more of these like bell shapes, also in the red. And those are some fun flowers. Love those. And there's a better look. All right, moving on to the browns and coppers. Wait, there's a lot of multifaceted colors in here actually though, because these have a bit of like green to them. And these are cute little leaves. They also have some green. There's these flowers, which are, I guess, like a gunmetal maybe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How is something so beautiful? How is something so, yeah, how is something so beautiful? That's it. That's my sentence. How is something so beautiful? Those are actually really pretty too for more of like a neutral color. Oh, and we've got ourselves a strand. Very fun. Ooh, and the ones hiding underneath it. Also a very gorgeous color. You know, for someone who's super into pastels, I have to say, These are absolutely beautiful. I really like all the different color reflections off of them, and just the way they're organized together, the colors just look so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I already see something I really like in this one, Topaz. I don't think it's real Topaz, but it is definitely Topaz in color, although there might be some surprises. I don't know. But this, oh my gosh, those cute little leaves with the brown and the green, like that's perfect. Cozy autumn, just pumpkin spice, everything nice. Love those. Oh my gosh, there's lots of leaves here, including those. Ooh, those feel really nice. Nice quality. And these, that's a really pretty color. Whoa, that almost looks like, well, kind of like tiger's eye. I don't know. I don't know my gemstones. I don't think these are stone though. Oh my gosh, these are the ones that look like the little raindrops. There were some in another bin that were clear, but they had pink and blue and purple reflections. Inflections, reflections, I don't know. I went crazy over this. But here, wow. Here is a better look at the stunning topaz color. Oh man, these are something very, very special. I can tell. Very beautiful. Let's bring a little more fun color in here. Blue. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. That is super cool. They look like little seashells. It looks like the strand was originally a 365. Not too bad. Oh, wait, I had something like this. I feel like these were really popular at one time. I remember seeing these in a ton of colors at like the flea markets and stuff. Absolutely beautiful. And this one has more of those flowers and leaves that I've been obsessed with. So again, this is your warning. If they don't sell after a couple days, I might take them and become a jewelry maker. Oh, that color. That, oh, it's just like the softest little turquoise. Stunning. Look at these. Oh my gosh, I love the pattern on these. They're not, I don't know, would you call that marble? Very cool. I love glass, and beads, like especially glass beads, remind me of beautiful glass art. It is one of my favorite things. I've got a little purple that's snuck in there, but those are cute. We have plenty of glass museums where I live, which is the Tampa Bay area. One of my favorites is Chihuly. I have gone to that exhibit a couple of times, once with my mom when she was still around, and we had a lot of fun. It was one of our favorite places we ever visited. And then we have another museum in St. Pete called the Imagine Museum, and that one is all a glass art as well, and different artists. It's not just Chihuly. They also do like local exhibits and things. And they have a glass blowing studio that you can go and like watch a demonstration. But yeah, I don't know. Glass and shiny and pretty things are definitely one of my obsessions. But there is a closer look at this gorgeous mint and turquoise container organizer. What do you call these? Organizers. And here is another blue. I love the leaves, and they're frosted, and they're super pretty, and I'm tempted to take them. It's blue, but it almost has like a tiny bit of green sheen. And these, oh, this is one of my favorites as well. I love flowers. I love flowers. And these are all, like, they're all different shapes and sizes. And I feel like someone who is more experienced with jewelry making could make something absolutely stunning with these. I know we talked about maybe me keeping a few of my favorites. Oh my gosh, look at those baby little flowers. And having someone make something for me. So we will see about that. But yeah, this whole this whole organizer is my aesthetic. And I know I need to go a little more quickly with these because I've been really taking my time with the beads and just admiring all of them. But these videos can get super, super long. So let's get a little closer look here at the clear ones, just because a lot of these are shapes that we've seen already and just clear and white. So more of those beautiful flowers and petals, and there's some copper ones there, and just very very shiny and pretty. And I wish you could see the way the light picks up some of these because they are beautiful. Here's another bot. I'm excited because I see some shapes we haven't seen. Well, we've seen, but not like these exact beads. It's a very shiny silver strand. Those are really fun. Silver. It's hard to see, but it's a little butterfly. Aw, cutie. Closer look at some of these beautiful white and clear ones. And don't you worry, if you like the clear and white, I have a whole nother one here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I already see so much I'm excited for, including these beautiful leaves that, again, the camera does no justice to, but they're very shiny. And then oh my gosh, those are so beautiful. They're just, they look very vintage. I don't know if they actually are, but it just reminds me of, like, I don't know, lucite jewelry and, I don't know, beautiful, beautiful things. There's a closer look at these. I love, some of these are like milky. That's like a milky white. Let's inject a little color in here, and I'm already excited because it says sea life, daggers, lentils, and fish. I love my sea life. I love my fishies and seahorses and mermaids, and I bet you there's some gorgeous stuff in here. Let's get our little spoon and start off with just the softest pink little fishies. Love those. And then here are some blue and purple ones. Oh my gosh. The shine on those is just absolutely stunning. Ooh, those are really cool. I love how organic they look. I'm not sure if they're leaves or flower parts or not. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're beautiful see-through crystals. These are frosted. They almost look like fish scales. Oh, and that's super precious blue and green. Yes, very, very beachy, sea life. Definitely see the inspiration there. And then there's some little metal spiky thingies here. And oh, wow, that same shape that I like just then in the blue and green also comes in red and white. And there's a dark green down here, as well as the silver and purple. Definitely, definitely another one of my favorites. This one looks a little intimidating because of all the baggies, but it appears to be maybe some flatbacks and rhinestones. So let's take a little look. Wow, that looks like jade. Ooh, it feels like stone too. I don't know what that is, but it's absolutely beautiful. Because like I said, the rest just look like flatbacks and rhinestones. So there's like those black ones. Ooh, hold on, this green is really nice. Ooh, oh my gosh. I wish I could tell like exactly what the material was, but these do not feel like cheap plastic. Very, very pretty. Whoa, these also look like they're straight from the ocean. Oh my gosh. And they have little flowers. I don't know how easy that is to see, but there's little flowers carved in those. I'm telling you, I'm just going to become a bead, jewelry, stone, gemstone expert. No, who am I kidding? I won't, but it definitely makes me want to research this. You know, at least we'll research it a bit when we price them, but it's hard. It's hard to tell without knowing exactly what material they are. Next, we have some crimp ends, which again, I'm not super familiar with, so I'm probably not going to pull all these out, but here is a bit of a closer look in case you are looking for crimp ends. And this one has no label and no tape. I don't know what I'm cutting. Ooh, some charms. Wow. Oops, those are super fancy. He is magnetic. It's a little leaf. Oh, it's probably some sort of like clasp or closure. There's like little rings in here and beads as well. Not quite sure what all of this stuff is, and I don't want to sound like an idiot. Here's this one. But that'll do it for bin number 60. I can't believe we're on 60. I thought there was only 50, but once we got through the 50 main bins and we started pulling all the other stuff, it keeps adding up. So there is definitely a ton more to go. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.